Okay, so today we're going to be working with our trig integrals. But before we can actually take the integral of this problem, we're going to have to get it into a form where we can do so. So we're going to keep our integral sign, keep our sign squared to the 2x, and then separate our cosine q to the 2x into cosine of 2x times cosine squared to the 2x, and make sure to bring our dx down. And after we do this, we can keep moving on. Keep our integral sign, keep sine squared to the 2x, as well as cosine of the 2x. And we can change our cosine squared to the 2x to 1 minus sine squared to the 2x, just to get it in a form where we can use our u substitution. And so we're going to let our u be over here. We're going to be, u is going to equal sine of 2x. And then take the derivative of both sides, we get du equals 2 cosine of 2x dx. But since we don't need this 2 cosine of 2x, we just need cosine of 2x. We're going to get rid of this 2 on this side, divide it out, and we're going to be left with 1/2 du equals cosine 2x of dx. So going back over here, keep our integral sign, and then we're going to have 1/2 u squared 1 minus u squared times du, and then we're just going to go ahead and distribute this 1/2 u squared to this just to make it easier to do with. It makes everything more simple going forward. Keep our integral sign, and we're left with 1/2 u squared minus 1/2 u to the 4th du. So now that it's in a form where we can take our integral, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna get 1/6 u to the 3rd as we bring a 1/3 down, and 1/2 times 1/3 is gonna give us 1/6 minus 1/10 u to the 5th as we bring our 1/5 down, multiply that by 1/2 and we get 1/10. Bring our bar over here, make sure we are gonna evaluate it at pi over 2 still, and 0. And so we're going to sub back in our u that we had over here, sine of 2x. We're going to get 1/6 sine cubed of 2x minus 1/10 sine to the 5th 2x. Bring down our bar still since we have not evaluated yet. And so then we're just going to go in, we're going to evaluate 1/6 sine to the 3rd times pi, don't forget our parentheses, minus 1/10 sine to the 5th times pi, close parentheses, and we're going to do our minus, going to come down here just so we don't run out of room. 1/6 sine to the 3 of 0 minus 1/10 sine to the 5th of 0. And just to do this, we're going to go ahead and evaluate these, subtract them, and the final answer that we're going to get is 0. And that's how we solve this trig integral.